What if I told you that in just 15 minutes a day, you could transform your chaotic living space into a sanctuary of calm that literally changes how you feel the moment you walk through your door? Today, we're diving deep into the ancient Japanese art of mindful decluttering, a practice that goes far beyond simply tidying up your belongings. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed in your own home, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, because we're about to unlock secrets that will revolutionize your relationship with your living space. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to create the peaceful haven you deserve. This isn't about having fewer possessions, it's about curating space for the things that truly spark joy and purpose in your daily life.
Entryway, the gateway to serenity. Your entrance sets the energetic tone for everything that follows. When you mindfully clear away items that have lost their purpose, you're literally welcoming tranquility into your sanctuary. Release those forgotten footwear, gathering dust for seasons. Discard purposeless key rings and accessories. Eliminate damaged umbrellas, consuming valuable real estate. Install a dedicated footwear organizer and designate a specific spot for essential keys. Sometimes serenity starts with the smallest intentional acts. Bedroom, sanctuary for your spirit. Your sleeping quarters serve as the refuge where your essence rejuvenates. Yet how can true restoration occur when surrounded by garments that no longer align with your authentic self? Books accumulated but never opened create visual chaos. Ancient Japanese philosophy reminds us that each item we choose to retain should genuinely spark happiness within us. Notice clothing that no longer matches your current identity or physical form. Observe accessories untouched for countless months. When you lovingly release these items, you're making room for your present authentic self. This sacred space where each day begins and concludes deserves only items that genuinely nurture your well-being. Maintaining just one or two options for each category transforms daily routines into mindful rituals of self-respect. Bathroom, personal wellness sanctuary. Clear away products past their prime or barely used. Remove forgotten cosmetics and worn towels that have lost their comfort. Allow your personal care space to breathe freely. Kitchen, the home's heartbeat. Your culinary space represents the home's vital center, where you nourish both physical body and emotional spirit. Maintain clear surfaces. They establish the foundation for mindful meal experiences. When you eliminate what fails to serve you, you're generating space for moments that genuinely nourish your soul. Reassess cups and glassware sitting unused or showing damage. Consider appliances neglected for months. Evaluate expired seasonings occupying precious storage. Living area, connection space. Your main gathering area is where meaningful memories form and relationships deepen. Select soothing fragrances like cedar or cypress. Retain only items that encourage authentic human connection. Notice decorative elements that no longer speak to your heart. Identify unused cables and electronic equipment. Clear accumulated publications and paperwork. Each object should serve a clear function and make you feel genuinely at peace in your own space. Storage, mental clarity through organization. Clear thinking emerges from clear systems. Label your retained items thoughtfully. When you know precisely what you possess, your mental state naturally organizes itself as well. Examine sealed boxes untouched since your previous relocation. Consider gifts retained from obligation rather than joy. Evaluate hobby supplies and materials you've outgrown. Keep only what actively supports your current lifestyle. Digital decluttering, the overlooked essential. This represents the decluttering few people consider, yet it might prove most crucial. Create a peaceful home screen interface. Organize your digital photos with genuine care. Your mind appreciates this digital quietude. Remove applications you never access. Delete images that fail to bring happiness. Unsubscribe from communications that generate mental clutter.
Every clean screen becomes an invitation toward inner peace.
What moves me most profoundly about this approach? Every carefully organized drawer, each surface allowed to breathe, every object retained for authentic joy. All of this represents profound self-love. You're not merely arranging possessions, you're crafting an environment that sustains your spirit, reminding you daily of your deepest values. This doesn't require dramatic overhaul. Select one drawer today, one shelf tomorrow, like preparing tea slowly with complete intention. Before you go, I'd love to hear about your own decluttering journey in the comments below. Which space will you tackle first? Share this video with someone who needs to create more peace in their home, and remember to subscribe for more life-changing content. When we organize our physical space with Japanese gentleness, we simultaneously organize our thoughts and our connection to the world around us. Here's my invitation. Choose one small area today, not as another chore, but as a precious gift to yourself, a moment of genuine connection with your home and what truly holds meaning. Because ultimately, when you create a more peaceful dwelling, you're creating a space where authentic living becomes possible, where deep breathing happens naturally, where simply existing feels like enough. You're not just organizing your house, you're coming home to your truest self.